What does it smell like, Kevin?
Oh! Oh my gosh!
What does it smell
Oh my
like?
gosh, it smells like boiled milk.
Are you serious? Oh man, for the first time in DCG history, we actually found a claw machine with squishies in it.
I know, right, Shan? Hey guys, we're here today at the AMF Bowling Alley here in Houston, Texas. We're gonna see how many times it'll take for us to win a squishy from the claw machine.
And guys, these are the tiny squishies. These are the keychains.
Right?
But Kevin, they're scented.
There's also fidget spinners in here too, but...
Do not eat. That's funny.
Really? You really have to not eat these? Oh yeah, never mind.
Dude, people would totally eat them. I might even eat them. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
So this claw is a little different.
Right? Okay, so let's
I
see.
think at this point they're so small, Kevin. You might as well just go for something.
Yeah, you know what? I'll try for this one right here.
With that big one?
Yeah, I don't know because
It's
I don't
really
know.
close to the back.
Yeah, that's like exactly what I was thinking. So let's see. Oh, okay. Whoa. Hey, that's not too bad.
All right, so it's different.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna try with the ones right next to the chute instead. Let's see if I can get anything from the chute.
It's kind of hard to.
No, that's not good.
That wasn't good.
Redo.
Look, you guys, I'm behind the mission. You guys get to say hi to Kevin. Hi, Kevin. All right, let's see what he's gonna go for.
There we go.
He got greedy.
I didn't get greedy.
That was a squishy and a fidget spinner. Dude, Kevin, it's like both of YouTube's fads right now in one machine. That was a lie. No one does fidget spinners anymore. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, really? Come on.
What was that? What was that? You have a very solid plan by sticking close to the chute.
Okay.
I think you can do it, Kevin.
All right.
I want a squishy, but if we get a fidget spinner, then I guess it's okay. You gonna do the same thing?
Yeah.
He says he's gonna go for something back here. Hello.
Hello.
Let's see.
Okay. That messed up. All right. Okay. I'm gonna let you go 5 tries now.
All right.
Go, Shan.
Yes.
Shan, come on. All right, you're gonna get 5 tries now, right?
All right.
You got 5 seconds, Shan.
I don't have a lot of time.
All right, go, go, go.
Going.
Oh, it curves a lot, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, come on. Oh, you get it? Oh, you got it.
Wow.
Shan, you got
I
it.
got a fidget spinner. That is not what I wanted out of this machine.
You wanted a squishy, right?
I want a squishy.
Oh, look, you got it.
Whoa, it's missing a part.
Uh-oh. Wait, is it in there? Is it in the chute still?
You know what? Is it?
Oh, yeah, it is. Look. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Wow.
Not a good fidget spinner. Okay, that's terrible. Here, hold that.
It's not gonna get it. Well, I don't know. If you could swing the claw, you might be able to do it. It wiggles. Well, oh, that was not bad, Shan. You can try that again?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Exclusive side view from Kevin's point of view. Oh no, you missed.
Maybe I'll stop going for that one.
Okay, one more try and then I'm gonna try again.
Okay, let's go for something easy, huh? Let's
Okay.
just go for like one of these random donuts.
Yeah, you know what? Go for that pile right there. Maybe you should go for the pile right over here.
Yes. I'm gonna go.
Go. Ooh. Oh. All right,
That
Shan.
plastic goes up.
Yeah,
All right,
it does.
Kevin, your turn.
All right.
Kevin found the other parts of the fidget spinner. Now it's a lot better.
It was still broken.
There are pieces in the claw machine.
Here you go. All right.
Yeah, you get to play while recording. Yee.
All right. Let's see.
All right, Kevin. So what are you gonna go for?
I'm gonna go for. You know what? I'm gonna try for that milk carton too.
I mean, it's scented. What is it scented as, Kevin? Does it smell like milk? I really hope it doesn't smell like milk.
I hope.
Oh, you knocked it over.
Let me try that again.
Has a little face on it. It's better.
Is it better? think I gotta swing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
I knew I had to swing it.
Oh, Kevin.
Oh,
You had to.
you know what? I'm cool with that. I got milk.
Yay, Kevin, you got the milk
I got this
curtain.
squishy milk, Shan. Oh, look, it's even got hearts on it.
Scented. It's scented, Kevin. What is it?
Squish!
Open it. What does it smell like? What does it
I'll
smell
open
like?
it afterwards.
Oh, we gotta know what it smells like.
Okay, fine.
What does it smell like, Kevin?
Oh! Oh my gosh!
What does it smell
Oh my
like?
gosh, this smells like boiled milk.
Are you serious? Oh god. Okay. Okay, we're gonna throw it in the trash on the way out.
Oh yeah, because it's got spoiled, right?
Wow. Why? Okay, whatever.
I saw that it turns straight. So I really got to move the ball really far.
Okay.
So let's try it. Let's see.
Here we go for the cake again?
Yeah.
Okay.
And try the cake one more time. So I'm gonna go like this. Little off center. Okay, and then I'm gonna swing. Oh, okay, well that didn't work. That didn't work at all.
Do one more, then I'm playing.
One more? Okay.
I really wish we could get that banana. But it's under the glass, you can't get it.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna try for this. That pile right here.
I'll go for it. Maybe you'll get something. Hey.
I'm trying to aim this, man.
Yes. Go ahead.
Go right there.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh well. Your turn, Shan.
Give me the card.
Yes. Shan,
Yes.
are you gonna finish up all the card?
Yeah, I get 3 plays.
3 plays, yeah.
I just want to go for
Maybe you should go for that fidget spinner on top of that ball over there.
I don't want the fidget spinner. I already got one.
Yeah.
I would genuinely like a keychain.
Oh, you want a keychain? Okay, then maybe you should go for the ones by the chute. Because these are really hard to get,
I
apparently.
agree.
Okay, so which one are you gonna go for?
Actually, I might just go for these over here.
Oh, you can go for these? Oh,
Oh, I ran out of time.
where's it going? Oh.
Wow, I made
nope.
like a big pile over there. Ooh, interesting.
Maybe you can get those. There's a lot of them right there, yeah. You can do it!
Why is there a dolphin and why is it scented, Kevin?
I don't know, maybe it feels like fish. Okay, going for the pile?
Dive on in, Kevin.
Dive for the pile, Shan. There we go. Oh. That was pretty good. Oh, hey!
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Oh!
Ooh, wait. Did I get at least that one?
Yes! You got one! Yeah! You got a keychain, Shan. Not bad. Yeah!
It's
Is it scented?
yes.
Oh gosh. What does it smell like?
Let's see.
Let's see. You're like, wait, what is this?
Aw, it's not bad.
Oh, it's not that bad? Oh, okay, that's good.
It smells like chocolate.
Oh, really?
Look, it's like a little donut. Smell it, Kevin.
Okay.
Smell it.
Oh, hey, that one's not that bad.
It's a keychain.
Yay!
Squishy keychain.
Woohoo!
Look what I did. All right, one more play.
One more play, Shan.
What to go for, Kevin?
What are you gonna go for?
What to go
I don't know. Just go for whatever.
All right. I'm just gonna dive on in again.
Just dive?
Yep.
Okay.
Dive on in.
All right, there it goes. Nope.
Okay, well that was bad. Well, last time I ever dive on it.
All right, Shan. Let's see what all we got today.
I put my hang on, it's in my pocket. Okay, got it.
Oh, okay.
Fidget spinner.
Oh, good job, Shan.
A good smelling donut keychain.
And then spoiled milk.
Oh, get that out of my face.
Oh my gosh.
Kevin, you brought that into the world just like the B&B bear. Oh. Go get it. Go get it.
Oh. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this squishy claw machine video and fidget spinner video, I guess. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon so you know when we have new videos coming up. And we will see you next time on Dragon Claw Games. Bye!